Hey, you little goober. Want to share this cool footage of a mosquito larva here and talk about it for a second. And I know you're saying, whoa, why would you show me this? Because it's cool. All right, there you go. Let's talk about it. Now, I know adult mosquitoes get a bad rap, and for like a very good reason. I can totally understand that, but hear me out. The larvae have pristine vibes. They're filter feeders. They're using those tiny little hair-like kind of brushes up by their mouth. They're actually called mouth brushes. That's not very clever, entomologists. But they use that to filter water into their mouth, and in that water is their food. And what is their food? Being that they're filter feeders, their diet consists of pretty much anything that can float in the water that's tiny enough, like bacteria, algae, detritus, which is like decomposing particles of whatever organic material, could be plant, could be animal, and animal waste too. So they help kind of clean the water a little bit. It's kind of cool. I wish my mustache could do that. Their body's made up of three simple parts. One, the head, I'm pointing at it. Second, the thorax, and then the abdomen. There you go. And they also have a siphon on the back end that they stick out of the surface of the water to breathe. It's a little butt tube. It's pretty cool to breathe. It's like a snorkel for your back end. On average, these larvae will be no more than like 5 millimeters, if that, but they can be 1 millimeter to 15 millimeters, which is huge on the 50 millimeter side. No thanks. Now, I know we said that mosquitoes in the adult version are like, ugh, and I get it, but some do pollinate, and they do serve as an important food source for things like dragonflies, which is pretty cool. And it's only the females that bite you, but they need it to grow their eggs, the inside juice that you have to grow their eggs. And, well, mama's got to do what mama's got to do. I'm not going to blame them, but maybe they cannot transmit disease into us. You know, I don't think that's much of an ask, Mother Nature, but I guess I don't get to make the rules, which is okay with me. But the larvae are an important food source for things like small fish, amphibians, probably crustaceans too, and other insect larvae. Yum yum, eat it up. Most mosquito larvae, especially in summer, will hatch in like 4 days, so don't have standing water longer than 4 days outside or you'll have mosquitoes. Well, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.